In today's rapidly evolving world, technology is no longer just a tool. It is becoming a partner in human life. Every year, we witness innovations that once seemed impossible, but among all these breakthroughs, one creation is capturing global attention in a completely different way. This is the humanoid robot developed by Tesla, known as Optimus. Unlike traditional machines that are limited to specific tasks, Optimus represents a bold vision of the future where robots are designed to live and work alongside humans, performing everyday tasks with intelligence and efficiency. This is not just another gadget or invention, it is a glimpse into a world that is rapidly approaching reality. When Elon Musk first introduced the concept of Optimus, many people were skeptical. Tesla was already famous for its electric vehicles and advancements in self-driving technology, but building a humanoid robot seemed like an entirely different challenge. However, what many overlooked was Tesla's deep expertise in artificial intelligence. The company had already developed advanced neural networks capable of processing vast amounts of real-world data through its vehicles. By using this existing technology, Tesla began transforming its AI systems into something far more ambitious. A robot that can see, understand, and interact with the physical world in a human-like way. Optimus is specifically designed to perform tasks that are repetitive, physically demanding, or potentially dangerous for humans. Across industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and construction, there are countless jobs that require long hours of labor and carry certain risks. Optimus aims to take over these responsibilities, reducing the burden on human workers and minimizing workplace injuries. For example, in a factory environment, the robot could lift heavy materials, organize inventory, and operate machinery continuously without fatigue. This level of efficiency could significantly transform how industries operate, leading to faster production and lower operational costs. One of the most remarkable aspects of Optimus is its human-like structure. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are fixed in one place and perform repetitive motions, Optimus is built to move freely. It walks on two legs, allowing it to navigate spaces designed for humans, such as homes, offices, and warehouses. This design choice is crucial because it eliminates the need to redesign environments specifically for robots. Instead, the robot adapts to the human world. Its hands are another major breakthrough, engineered with precision to replicate human fingers. This allows Optimus to handle both heavy and delicate objects, from lifting equipment to picking up small items with care. Beyond its physical capabilities, the true power of Optimus lies in its intelligence. The robot is equipped with advanced AI systems that allow it to process information in real time. Using cameras and sensors, it can observe its surroundings, identify objects, and make decisions based on what it sees. This means it does not require constant human control. Instead, it can function autonomously, learning from its experiences and improving over time. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets Optimus apart from earlier generations of robots, making it a truly revolutionary innovation. The impact of this technology extends far beyond industrial use. Tesla envisions a future where Optimus becomes a part of everyday human life. Imagine a scenario where a robot assists you at home by cleaning, cooking, or even helping with daily chores. It could save time and energy, allowing people to focus on more meaningful activities such as spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or developing new skills. For many, this idea represents convenience and progress, but it also raises important questions about how society will adapt to such changes. One of the most significant concerns surrounding humanoid robots like Optimus is the future of employment. If robots can perform tasks more efficiently and at a lower cost than humans, there is a possibility that many jobs could be replaced. This is particularly true for roles that involve repetitive or manual labor. However, history has shown that technological advancements often create new opportunities even as they eliminate old ones. The rise of robotics and artificial intelligence could lead to new industries, new job roles, and new ways of working. The challenge lies in ensuring that people are prepared for this transition through education and skill development. Safety is another critical factor in the development of Optimus. A machine that is strong enough to perform heavy physical tasks must also be carefully controlled to prevent accidents. Tesla has emphasized that safety is a top priority, designing the robot to operate at controlled speeds and with limited force when necessary. Multiple safety systems are expected to be integrated to ensure that the robot can function safely around humans. This focus on safety is essential for building trust and encouraging widespread adoption of the technology. In addition to practical concerns, there are also ethical questions that come with the rise of advanced robots. As machines become more intelligent and capable, society must decide how they should be used and what boundaries should be set. For example, should robots be allowed to make independent decisions in critical situations? How should they be regulated to prevent misuse? These questions do not have simple answers, but they will become increasingly important as technology continues to advance. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of Optimus are enormous. In the field of healthcare, robots could assist medical professionals by performing routine tasks, SKS, transporting supplies, or even supporting patient care. This could improve efficiency in hospitals and allow doctors and nurses to focus on more complex and critical responsibilities. In elderly care, robots could provide assistance with daily activities, helping individuals maintain independence and improving their quality of life. They could also act as companions, reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. Another area where Optimus could have a significant impact is disaster response. In situations such as earthquakes, fires, or industrial accidents, robots could be deployed to perform search and rescue operations in environments that are too dangerous for humans. This could save lives and reduce risks for emergency responders. The ability to operate in hazardous conditions makes robots like Optimus invaluable tools in crisis situations. What makes Tesla's approach unique is its ability to leverage existing technology. Instead of building a robot from the ground up without prior experience, Tesla is using the same AI systems that power its vehicles. This gives the company a significant advantage, as it already has access to vast amounts of real-world data and advanced machine learning capabilities. By combining this knowledge with robotics, Tesla is accelerating the development process and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The journey of Optimus is still in its early stages, but progress is happening rapidly. Each new prototype demonstrates improved capabilities, from better movement and coordination to more advanced decision-making. Elon Musk has even suggested that Optimus could eventually become more important than Tesla's car business. If this vision becomes reality, it could redefine the company and position it as a leader in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, the future of humanoid robots is both exciting and uncertain. On one hand, they have the potential to improve lives, increase productivity, and solve some of the world's most challenging problems. On the other hand, they require careful management to ensure that their impact on society is positive. The key will be finding a balance between innovation and responsibility. As humans, we have always been driven by the desire to create and improve. From simple tools to advanced machines, every step of progress has brought new opportunities and new challenges. Optimus represents the next step in this journey, a creation that has the potential to reshape the way we live and work. It is not just a robot, it is a symbol of what the future could become. In the end, the story of Optimus is not just about technology. It is about humanity and how we choose to use the tools we create. Whether this future becomes a world of convenience and progress or one of uncertainty depends on the decisions we make today. One thing, however, is certain. The age of intelligent robots has begun, and Optimus is leading the way into that future.